Hey guys, in this video, we're going to talk about how you can connect your Google Calendar with Clickup. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Alright, so let's begin. And first of all, open up your browser of your choice and search for Clickup website. Now simply log into your account there. In Clickup, navigate to the desired workspace or space where you want to connect your Google Calendar. Click over on Settings button located to create a new task or select any existing task. Now, in the task details panel, locate the calendar button and just click on it. A list of available integrations will appear. Now you just have to look for Google Calendar and simply click on that. Now you'll be prompted to authorize Clickup to process your Google account. Now follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. Select the calendar and configure the settings as per your preferences. You can choose to sync events, due dates, or both between Clickup and Google Calendar. Now simply save the settings and the integration between Clickup and Google Calendar will be established. Now you can easily connect your Google Calendar with Clickup. So that's all for today's video, guys. This is how you can connect your Google Calendar with Clickup. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.